James and the steam brake. After Henry's crash, James was sent to pull the goods work. He did not like that. James moaned as he pulled trucks. Trucks, he said. Why does a splintered rat engine like me have to pull trucks? Stop complaining, James, the other engines would say. It's not that bad. But he would never listen, and would constantly bump the trucks from the yards and sidings. Ow, 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 ow! Get along, you stupid trucks! James was always pouty. One day, he was sent to go pull a goods train to Manchester. Anyone other than James noticed a small hissing sound, but everyone thought it was another one of his excuses, including his driver and fireman. James set out with a worried look on his face, but no one seemed to notice. As James puffed along the line, he became more and more worried that he would explode. What should I do? What should I do? I could blow up. As he passed through Power and Furness Station, James slammed on his brakes and screeched the train to a bumpy halt. The trucks banged behind him, and as they screeched to stop. What on earth are you doing? Yelled his driver. I am leaking steam, he said yellingly. His driver checked him over. Well, James, if you were light, you are leaking steam. One of your cylinders has a crack in it. Oh, thank the Lord, said James. Thomas and Jebediah were called to take the train onwards to Manchester. While Billy was sent to take James home. James wasn't too happy, but at least it was better than blowing up, right?